Drake establishes the following relationship chain. A worker performs a function that belongs to a category of a specific type. In other aspects of Drake, much can be done with this linked structure. However, in the free plan, which is what we present here, the category registry, also involving its category type. The last two mentioned here becomes a simple registry. It is accessible in registry and category. Even though it's a simple registry, it is also mandatory. Because when you register a function, for example, a painter, welder, and so on, you need to link that function to a category. So, there must be records registered here. So, what have we done? By default, we have already registered a category for each of the possible types. When we add a new category, here in the type field, we discover what the possible types are: onshore, offshore, or maritime. So, for each of the three, we went and created a corresponding record. So there it is, maritime, onshore, and offshore, in the identifier, name, and category type. Therefore, we understand that this is sufficient for most companies, and it is not necessary to do anything on this screen. This lesson was more informative to indicate where the category registry is. If you want, you can add other categories or remove categories that do not apply to your reality. Or if you prefer, you don't need to do anything at all. Just know that when registering a function, you need to link it to one of the categories in this registry.